In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make your new image show up across your profile. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you get a clean result on the first try. First, open your web browser and go to reddit.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the main Reddit site, not a third-party app, so the options appear exactly as I describe. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's the small circular avatar that represents your account. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu gives you quick access to your profile and settings. Right next to that profile icon, you should see a small picture or camera icon. Click this picture icon. This is the shortcut that opens the profile image editor, so you can change the image that shows next to your username. When the image picker opens, select a new image from your computer. Common formats like JPEG and PNG generally work well. For the best results, use a clear, high-quality picture that's close to a square shape, since profile images are typically displayed as circles and can crop the edges. Avoid text that's too small or busy backgrounds, because they may not be legible at smaller sizes. After you choose your file, Reddit will upload it and may show a preview with options to crop or reposition the image. Take a moment to center your face or your logo and adjust the zoom so important details aren't cut off by the circular frame. Keep your file size reasonable to speed up the upload and make sure the content follows Reddit's community guidelines. When the preview looks good, save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Confirm button in the editor and click it. Your new profile picture should update in the top right corner and on your profile page. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a short time to propagate. You can also open your profile in a new tab to confirm the update from a fresh view. And that's it. You went to reddit.com and logged in, clicked your profile icon, used the picture icon to open the editor, selected a new image, uploaded it, and saved your changes. Enjoy your updated look on Reddit.